Hi everyone. In today's lesson, we were going to be talking about exercise 1E. Students, a very warm welcome you to our online class with a very big heart. Without further ado, let's get started today's class. So, your question number one is what? The temperature of the freeze compartment of a refrigerator is set at 8 degrees Celsius. Okay, 8 degree Celsius. The freezer compartment is set at minus 10 degree Celsius. What is that? Minus 10 degree Celsius. Then question is that what is the difference between this temperature setting? Okay, so first of all we should know what is freeze and what is the work of freeze and what is freezer. Okay, do you know the difference between freeze and freezer, students? This is called your freeze, and this is called your freezer. Okay, so what is the work of these two objects? Suppose if we will talk about freeze, this freeze a particular this will work only for keeping cool to that object. I mean your vegetables, your foods, whatever you are going to keeping in your fridge, it will be cool. Okay, then what is the work of freezer? This one will work for where you place items you want to remain frozen. That means when you are want to keep it in frozen form, that means in solid form, or in when you are wants to make ice, you need to and that ice you want to keep it in frozen form, then you need to use freezer. And you want to keep it cool, then you need to use that freeze. Okay, that is the difference between these two object. Okay, or machine you can say. So now see, the temperature of freeze compartment is 8 degrees Celsius. Okay, then one more thing, when you are keeping in freezer, that freezer always will be in the zero, or you can say the temperature of that freezer will always less than 0 degree Fahrenheit, less than 0 degree Fahrenheit. And here it is, you can say that means when you are using that fridge, it will be normal. But when you are talking about freezer, it will be below 0 degree. Yes, then what is that? It will come in negative or minus form, or minus temperature. Yes or no? So now see, read that question. The temperature of freeze, this one, compartment of a refrigerator is at 8 degrees Celsius. Okay, 8 degrees Celsius. I have written this one. Then the freezer compartment is set at minus 10 degrees Celsius. So that it came minus 10 degree Celsius. Why? Because freezer always in of 0 degree or less than 0 degree Fahrenheit, so it will come in negative only. Okay, then the difference between these two temperature, or the difference between this temperature is what is the difference between these two? That question is that one. So difference means what, student? What do you know? What does mean by difference? Difference means generally minus. Yes or no? Okay, so according to your question, that freeze is set at 8 degrees Celsius, and you need to find the difference. Okay, difference. So difference is equal to 8 degrees Celsius minus your freezer is 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, 10 degree minus 8 degree will what? Minus minus will become plus. What will come? 8 plus 10 is 18 degree Celsius. The difference between these two is 18 degree Celsius. Clear? Now have a look on your question number 2. A car moves 17 kilometers north from a point A. North from a point A. Okay. And then move 14 kilometers towards south. 14 kilometers toward south. Okay. This car moves from, this is the point A, moves from the same path again. It came back to that, here it is 17 kilometers. He went from A, okay, and from south to here it came 14 kilometers. That means up to that you think it came back. Okay, south along the same road. This is the road. In same road it came 14 kilometers towards south along the same road. If the distance towards north is represented by a positive integer, this is represented by a positive integer, 17 represent as a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance towards south? This one how will you represent? By which integer you will represent its final position from A? Students, this is your positive one. So now you say final position of A. Final position from A. Final position from A is equal to 1. First one is when it is going from A, it is positive 1, then plus at the same time, I mean when it is going towards moving 17 kilometers from A, it is coming towards south 14 kilometers, coming at the same road. Remember, it is coming towards same road, that's why it is become negative. Now see, 17 plus into minus minus, 17 minus 14 is what, student? 3, but here it is a bigger number is having positive sign, so this is plus 3 kilometers, plus 3 or positive 3 kilometers from A. Clear? Good. Now see your question number 4. Sorry, 3 we have not done. Okay, turn on your page number 26 and have a look on your question number 3. Here it is not there, sorry for that. You just see your question number 3. I will read out that question. You just listen carefully. Okay, what is that question? Rina climbs of 5 stairs every second and then climbs down 2 stairs over the next second. How many second will she take to climb 60 stairs? Okay, while she is going staring up, it is represented by positive integer. Okay, that means how many stairs she climbed? 5 stairs in each and every second, and then climbs down. While she will climbs down, from here it will be represented by negative, so it will be minus 2. Okay, over the next second. Then how many seconds will it take to climb 60 stairs? We need to find in how many seconds she will take to climb 60 stairs. Okay, so first of all, you see in 2 consecutive seconds stair climbed by Rina. Rina climbed in consecutive 2 seconds. That means in this 2 second or 2 consecutive seconds she climbs 5 plus 5 plus minus 2. It will become plus 3. Okay, then in to climb three stairs it taken 2 seconds. Within 2 seconds you can climb three stair. Okay, if now you see, just a second. Okay, now in 2 seconds you can climb 3 stair. To climb 60 stair, to climb 60 stair, how much seconds you will take? To for 60 stair you can climb within 2 seconds you can climb 3 stair. That means if you want to find the 60 stair, how much times you will take? So if you will multiply this 60, that means you need to find the 60 stairs, how much seconds you will take? Then it will become 3 2s, that will become 20. Then 40 seconds he needs for this one. Okay, clear? Then question number 4 is related to your example 2. Question number 4 is related to your example 2. You can do it yourself, no need to worry about it. Whenever he is receiving something, you need to add. Whenever she is spending something or giving something, sorry, question number 4 is not that one. Question number 5 is related to your example 2. Yes, and question number 4 also, it's very simple one. See, step 1 it is given minus 8 is an integer. Here if you will add minus 12, it's nothing to do. Question number 4, minus 8 is there. First of all, minus 8 will add with 12, minus 12. Okay, then what will come? That answer will subtracted by 10. That means it will come minus 20, and this minus 20 will subtracted by 10. Minus 20 will subtracted by 10, so that it will come minus 30. Yes or no? That minus 30, whatever it will come, it will divide by 3. Minus 30 will divide by 3. It will come minus 10. Then that minus 10 will multiply by minus 2, and that minus 2 into minus 10 is equal to 20 plus 20. Clear? Okay, good. Hope you understood, student. Question number 5, as I told you, it is exactly related to your example 2. If you will see deeply your question number or example 2, then you can do it. So no need to explain more about this question here. Whatever he will get, fine, you will add. Whatever he will spend or use, that will be negative or subtract, then you will get everything. Then question number 6, a submarine left the surface of the water at the rate of minus 2 meters per second. At the rate, how long would it take the submarine to reach minus 60 meters level? Time taken to reach minus 60 meter level. Time taken to reach minus 60 meters level. How much time it will take? Let's see. Minus 60, the rate is given minus 2, so that if you will divide these two things, then you will get 30. That means within 30 seconds it will, within 30 seconds you can reach to 60 minus 60 meter levels. Okay, thank you students, have a nice day and practice more and more. In your next class we will do question number 7, 8, 9. You try yourself, and 10 also, if it is possible then you do. I hope you can do it, and in your next class we will discuss all these things. Your question number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, thank you, bye bye, take care.